What's up? I'm Stacey! Maayong gabi, Davao! I'm Sheena! Davao! It's Joanna! Maayong gabi, Davao! It's Aya! Hi guys, I'm Colette. Magandang gabi, Davao! I'm Gwen! Maayong gabi, Davao! It's Mika! Davao! Maayong gabi! I'm Malon! And we are Bini! Wow!
Singing Bini, singing Bini.
Singing Bini.
Singing Bini, singing Bini.
Singing Bini. Wow! Try naman natin likod. Sige, sige.
Genres na in-explore. And syempre, kahit ang dami nating genres, our next song is also exciting. Right? Because our next song, kahit umuulan ngayon, we promise it'll make you feel the heat of the summer ng Pantropiko.
Oh, sheesh. First time na mo na ngali kadaghan na tao niyang tanaw na mo karon diri sa Davao. Nakulbaan ba yami kay kusog lagi ang ulan yung balik basig mangulit mo ba unya. Ano ba ya? Dapat ba ya dili ta masakit? Kay na masakit. Sumot na. Walay mo amping. Ha, sorry. 8,000. 8,000. Sino 8,000? Oh, alam ko yan.
And speaking of first, may tanong ako.
Minsan, sa sarili, you deserve to feel safe. At sana patuloy na pa rin mahalin yung Bini dahil hindi kami mawawala. Nandito kami to always support you. May nagmamahal sa inyo. Katulad ng susunod namin kanta, ibigay niyo tong moment na to sa mga sarili niyo.
Kahit umuulan. And I know yung iba dito kanina pa, yung iba nag-effort talaga pumunta dito kahit from malayo pa sila. Kaya because of that, thank you again. And I think we need to give a big and loud round of applause kasi you guys aren't just here for us, pero nandito din yung ibang mga OPM artists. And feeling ko deserve nila ng loud round of applause. Let's go guys! Let's go! Grabe yung pagmamahal nyo. We can feel it. You being here is a testament to that. And also we would want to say thank you to Aurora for having us here. Thank you because you allow us to bring our music.